Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute Christmas angel. This begins today's lesson in the center of the page with the bottom edge of the hair. We're going to start right in the middle. Let's start with a point. From this point we're just going to curve this down and out towards the left. Go back to the center, curve this down and out towards the right. Now on either side we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start on the left, going all the way around and then back up. Then line this up on the right side. Let's add two small circles along the top left side for a highlight. And then two smaller circles on the bottom right. Then we're going to fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's move to the center and draw in the mouth, starting on the left, curve this down and then up. Let's go up underneath the hair and draw in the head. From the left side, we're going to step in, draw a half circle, coming all the way around, and then bend that back up towards the right side. Let's draw two straight angled lines coming down the side, starting on the left, all the way down towards the bottom, and then we'll just line that up on the right. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. From the top of the body, let's draw two curves coming down and in. And we'll bend this down and then out towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top and draw two curves, going up and then down across the top of the hands. From the center, come down and out toward the left and right side. Now go all the way back up to the top and draw the outside of the hair. We're going to start with the left side. We're going to go all the way around, come down and in, do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side, curve the hair going out, down, and then in towards the side of the body. Let's place the halo along the top of the head. Starting in the center, we draw an oval, going all the way around, and then back up. Let's trace that oval along the inside. Now let's go to these 2 points in the hair, draw two straight angled lines going up and out along the top of the wings. Run out the wing, and just pull that in. Let's add some curves across the bottom of the wings coming back in towards the body. Let's start on the left. And then one final curve in behind the body. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's our cute drawing of a Christmas angel. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.